We're having a lovely sunrise, and I really love this area because there are so many new constructions going on and so many projects to make the area better. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. It's around 7:15 and I'm here at the Chong Nonsi BTS station, and today I'm gonna give you an update regarding the construction of the new Chong Nonsi Canal Park. And there is already a canal park that's next to the Chong Nonsi Bridge, but this is an extension, or let's say an extension in the other direction. The canal parks are an effort from the city of Bangkok to create green spaces in the heart of the city. And for example, here you can already see how they planted the trees along the canal. So the canal is actually down here. Here above you have the Silom BTS line. This is one of the two BTS lines in the center of the city. So here in front we are getting to Silom Road, and you can already see the entrance of the canal park. You know, the reason why I like to film around this time is that you know, there is a golden hour in the evening at sunset, but there is an equally good golden hour in the morning. So let's go and have a look. I'm here at the Surawong exit, and this park runs between Surawong and Silom. So this is the original canal that you see under here, and the park is constructed on top of it. We're having a lovely sunrise, and I really love this area because there are so many new constructions going on and so many projects to make the area better. The original Chong Nonsi Canal Park opened in December 2021, so that's roughly 2 years ago. The origin of this canal is on the Chao Phraya River, and from here it's about 4.5 kilometers in the direction of the Chao Phraya. And this park is inspired on a park in Seoul in South Korea. The original Chong Nonsi Park is very popular for Instagram, and I think this will be a very Instagrammable park as well, especially in the evening when you have the little lights going on. So I can't wait for this one to open, and when it opens, you guys know I will be there and I will keep you informed. The train is coming in on the back. I'm actually wondering if there's going to be a Skywalk or some kind of connection to the BTS station. Bangkok Lovely Plaza. So the train that you see there, that's the Silom line, and we are around the corner here from the Chong Nonsi BTS station where I just started the video. So the original plan is to cover the whole Chong Nonsi Canal, so that's about 5 more kilometers in the direction of the Chao Phraya River, and this is the second part of the project. Here to the left you have Silom Road. Well, to the right as well. To give you a bit of an idea on how the park is gonna look, I will show you how the original Chong Nonsi Canal Park looks at the moment. You see it's 7:42, 21st of January. So this is the idea on how the canal is supposed to look in the future. So this is the original canal park, and this is more like a prototype, and the whole idea would be that in the future this canal will extend all the way to the Chao Phraya River, which is about 4.5 kilometers in that direction there. From here you have a good view on how the park is developing at the moment, and I think it's a very good idea to use the open space that you have here with these canals to create green space in the heart of the, let's face it, concrete jungle that Bangkok is. So I will be keeping you up to date about this park, and I don't really know when this will be ready. But if I look at the last one, it can go very quickly. I guess they have to start growing and planting the trees in here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the new Chong Nonsi Canal Park here in Bangkok. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe. You know I will keep you up to date about everything that's going on in Bangkok. And see you guys in my next video.